Maintaining a car in the United States can be a significant annual expense, with the average cost estimated at around $1,000 to $100. Various factors contribute to these costs, including the make and model of the vehicle, which can influence the availability and price of parts. The age of the car is another crucial factor, as older vehicles may require more frequent repairs and replacements. Driving habits also play a role. Aggressive driving can lead to quicker wear and tear, increasing maintenance needs. Additionally, the location where the car is driven can affect costs due to varying climate conditions and road quality, which can impact the car's longevity and performance. Common expenses for car maintenance include routine services such as oil changes, which are typically required every 3,000 to 7,500 miles and can cost between $35 and $75. Tire rotations are another frequent necessity, occurring every 5,000 to 8,000 miles, with costs ranging from $20 to $50. Air filter replacements are less frequent, needed every 15,000 to 30,000 miles, and generally cost between $20 and $50. Brake pad replacements are more costly, required every 30,000 to 70,000 miles, and can range from $150 to $300 per axle. Battery replacements, occurring every 3 to 5 years, can cost between $75 and $200, depending on the vehicle and battery type. In addition to these regular maintenance tasks, car owners must also consider additional costs such as insurance, which can range from $1,000 to $2,000 per year. Fuel costs vary widely based on driving habits and current fuel prices, making them a significant but variable expense. State inspections and emissions tests are typically required annually and can cost between $20 and $50. It's also wise to budget for unexpected repairs, with recommendations suggesting setting aside $500 to $1,000 annually to cover unforeseen issues that may arise. To manage these costs effectively, car owners can adopt several cost-saving strategies. Following the manufacturer's recommended maintenance schedule can prevent costly repairs by ensuring the vehicle is serviced at optimal intervals. Performing regular DIY checks, such as monitoring tire pressure and fluid levels, can help identify potential issues early. Addressing minor problems promptly can prevent them from escalating into major repairs. Comparing prices at different repair shops can also yield savings, as can learning basic maintenance tasks to reduce labor costs. By taking these proactive steps, car owners can maintain their vehicles more economically while ensuring reliability and performance.